So first of all, open the official website of Capital One's online banking, and once that is done, tap on the Sign In button with the profile icon on the top right corner. After that, you will land to the Login or Sign In page from where you can give your credentials such as username and password to get logged in or signed in. However, if you do not remember your password, just tap on Forget Username or Password. Firstly, you need to give your last name, social security number, and date of birth for the verification and finding your username, and after that, through the verification and identification, you can easily reset your password. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.